Welcome to English Conversation Hub. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects all of us. Social media, a curse or a boon? Is it helping us grow or holding us back? Let's explore both sides in simple, spoken English perfect for learners who want to improve fluency and build ideas on current topics. Let's get started. Social media has become a major part of our lives. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube, we are always connected to the world through our phones. But is this connection a blessing or is it slowly becoming a curse? Why social media is a boon, a blessing? Instant communication. Social media helps us stay in touch with family and friends, no matter where they live. With just one click, we can message, call, or video chat with anyone around the world. Education and awareness. Students can find useful study materials, tutorials, and courses. Many people have learned new skills like cooking, coding, or speaking English just by watching videos. Opportunities and networking. Many businesses grow using social media. Small brands get noticed, and professionals can connect with companies on platforms like LinkedIn. Voice for the voiceless. Social media gives everyone a platform. People can raise their voices about social issues, injustice, or anything important to them. Why social media is a curse, a problem? Addiction and wasted time. Many people spend hours scrolling endlessly. This affects work, studies, and even relationships. Mental health problems. Too much social media can lead to anxiety, stress, and depression. Seeing only the happy side of others' lives often makes people feel insecure or unhappy with their own lives. Misinformation and fake news. Not everything on social media is true. Fake news spreads quickly and can cause confusion, panic, or harm. Cyberbullying and privacy issues. Some people face online abuse or bullying. Others have their personal data stolen or misused, which can be dangerous. Conclusion. So, is social media a curse or a boon? The truth is, it's both. It depends on how we use it. If we use social media for learning, connecting, and growing, it is a boon. But if we waste time, compare lives, or fall into negativity, it becomes a curse. So, let's be smart. Let's be responsible. Let social media serve us, not control us.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.